information or inspiration? What does your audience want? Millennials in this generation, they are thirsty and they are hungry for inspiration. According to a research done long back in 2013, the millennials want to do something which not only enriches their own lives but enriches the lives of the whole world. They want to experience something, they want to feel something, they want to do something great, and they want to be a part of something bigger, a bigger vision. That is what they are looking for. So there is only one platform which I have heard about in the last 2 decades, or maybe in the last 3 decades, has quenched this thirst, or has addressed this question, has addressed this concern basically, is the TEDx platform. Look at the impact the speakers are making within just 18 minutes, be it science and technology or philosophy or the environment. The kind of impact the speakers are making is just humongous. It's just amazing. Right? So always choose a topic which is really inspirational. So always choose inspiration rather than information. Stay tuned for the next video.